So what's up guys? So magpakahantarog mga beta fish na ako. Tala, adto ta. Wala man sila kaon. Ilang adlaw ka nang adto nga migtanghay.
Tubig sa isda. Nanonood ako ng live ng kapatid ko.
Tingnan mo. May tawa. Wala pa sila kaon dyan. Ah.
Ano po siya?
Wala pa sila kaon.
Sa trabaho niya sa SM.
Pakainin po natin to.
Bili ka paglenta.
God, kahit ako ang kuan God. iPad.
Bili na, Cheng.
Kahit ako iPad. Dali kayo, tig-video na ako. So, pakanon na to. Isda na to. Ah, bata ko po.
Video. May mga laruan pa.
Palayo.
Ganyan naka-video.
Nakabidyo na. So guys, pakanon na to.
So, yun. Bimiliti na ba tayo? Ay, militi pala na binibila namin ni Glendon. Yun yung kanyang ex.
Totga pare, Totga.
Anong totga?
Dumalong yung Totga. The one that got away pare.
Ah, ganun ba yun?
Yun yun pare.
Katy Perry lang pa.
Katy Perry. Kay Katy Perry ko nalaman yun pare. Hindi. Meron din si Yeng eh. Si Yeng.
Paano mo kay Anong ano yun?
Ganda niya. Totga din. Si Yeng. Santino.
Hindi ko alam yun eh.
Actually, ano yun? Totga ko siya pare. Pero hindi ibig sabihin na bibili ba kasi. Pare, may asawa na yun.
So, meron itong pakaon sa mga beta fish, guys. Pakit ang tawa.
Ano yun? Hindi na po yun.
Ano siya? Katunay siyang kuan. Basta, limot ko. Rin ka na ito ng murag Philippine flag. Nito, gipalit na mo sa Dulos Karsada, guys. Pero gwapo siya, guys. Tag 75 bro siya, guys. Ito, kana po daw. Ang puti dito. Puti. So, ang mga gapi na ako, di kayo maklaro makita. Puro oh. Ay sila, mga gagmeng isda. Ito. Daghan. Gaya po, sorti na ako. Di sila maklaro taro. Isa, dako. Puro oh. Ano yung mga gagmay, say hello, dagang tanom. Tara, kita na. Tara. Then, ato tas likod. Nagpumidaghan. So, taron sa ang ko gibrid na beta fish manggod guys. Nga diri kita kluban. Kuha na to. Get on tam. Shoot. Tayo. Akong gon. Puta. Pura guys. Nainitan rin guys oh. Uy tayo. Nananay mga babies. Artas pikas. Hindi rin katuning mga gagming beta. Kita, kung makita ninyo. Tura. Nang gagmay kayo. Hane. Di kayo makita. Basta dagana sila. May napadiri oh. To, kita ka? Klaro, kina sila guys. Then na pa may bagong. Na po may bagong gibrid. O, dara guys oh. Amo sa dinit eh. Kanon sa mga iring. O, di kayo makita kay gagmay kay sila. O, tura ni isang dakig ako no. Hindi rin gapi na mo. Napos sila mga gagmay. Amo. O, lahat ko na atas pikas. Nita dress negros guys. Paningot ko. So dire nga ano itong zebra fish. Nga mo kita. Zebra fish na mo guys. Pero oh. Nay orange siya bay. Ara. Na mo palit. Nay gagmay diring kon. Barato siya guys. Tag-gis rapod ni. Nay gagmay dire. Ato. Di sila makita guys. Di sudto sila kay bang gagmayan nila. Ato ra oh. Ara. Kita na? Belum ako no. Basta na sila sa ilalom anak. Gagmay pa na kay sila ng mga anak. So guys, gagmay kay nila anak. No, di ko hindi makita. Basta na nilang mga anak dira. Disud kay makita guys. Gandere katong mga baying na betta fish. Nita brad. Ay, turagas yan. Tulong. Say hi. Hi. Sila. Day dako. Tapos dako diri. Dira. Kuha nga dako. Asa to. Kusugam lang yung dako. Mas kusog pa saan. Ara. Ara mo kong palit. Up. Kalihok. Na mo pa ito eh. Palit na mo. Tag. Gisra ni siya. Manahan mo. Subscribe mo. Then like. Ganyan mo like mo. Mura to kita guys. And na may albino gapi. Kita guys. Oh, nani albino gapi. Tura oh. Puti-puti ito nani anak. Hala. Karon na takabantay nani anak. Puta. May putang ina men. Ano kabantay ni anak? Tura. Wala pa man sila anak kahapon. Ano nung mama? Nasta sa tulog. Ha? Tulog. Nay anak na mong albino. Ubay-ubay. Hapon niya dari bay. Tug. Ay, galang tug ko. Ang tabi.
So he was cutting my hair, and then he just like accidentally, or if he meant to just go.
No. You were trying to be a good barber. Unfortunately, today was a bad day for you, and you didn't get much sleep last night, and then this happened. Bro, this is so rude. No, just sit down, bro. Sit down. Let's.
No, we gotta do it now. It's now or never.
Ito, ang grabe ito.
It's about to go down, Andre. I love you so much. But we are the prank masters for today, and we're about to show you guys. So let's have all the equipment right here. Okay, you were using this, okay? Yeah. You were using this, and then this happened.
Ang butak M.M.
Yeah, you're pretty bad, bro. Yo, who's that boy right there? Let's go. Alright, you used to have hair like this, and now you look like this. Could we do it before?
Yeah, before and after.
No, I need to comb my hair.
Can you comb it more to the side?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're missing some parts. Yeah, there you go. That's pretty stylish.
Thank you.
Alright, sit over here. Alright. You guys ready?
Kapuyoy.
Let's go. So,
I'll be like her,
I
okay?
wonder where she is. She might be upstairs, she might be downstairs, but go look for her.
Okay.
Just cause a scene. Be like, I messed up.
Okay, good.
Start screaming.
Yeah.
No, I'm just joking. She's probably not even there. What if she's in the front yard? And she... Okay, alright. Go. Wow! Oh, she's gonna get mad! Oh my gosh. Do not laugh, okay? Whatever you do not laugh. Okay? Laugh all you want now. Get it out of your system. Okay, bro.
Nirasag. Igo ang mga isda ko.
What are you doing? Stop. She's good. Oh my gosh, she's probably lying.
So,
Babe, we're just doing a tutorial video and we're bad. You gotta come see
paano sa ko?
Are you coming to laugh? Yeah, bro, it's gonna be okay. It's not the end of the world. It's not the end of the Huh? It's not the end of the world, man. It's gonna be fine. Babe, just promise you won't get mad. Babe, we were cutting his hair and we just decided to buzz it off and it looks bad. I know, we'll fix it. I mean, it's gonna grow. Mi amor, it's gonna grow, it doesn't take that long. Mi amor, Will was cutting his hair. He messed up in one spot. Let's keep going with it. I know, but we thought it was gonna look good. I don't want to do that. Calm down and just come. Please.
Gusto ko mamo.
I'm serious. Just to let you guys know, if she gets real close, she's gonna realize. So our job is not to let her get too close.
And I'll
okay?
cover up this part.
No, don't cover it up. We'll cover it up a little bit. Babe, can we talk about this before you go inside? It's not his fault. Like, I'll take responsibility.
What do you mean, babe?
I'll take responsibility, mi amor. I let Will cut his hair. Will told me he knows how to cut hair, and it's gonna grow.
Why did you guys shave his whole head?
I don't know, it was a mistake.
Why?
Baby, we can fix this. Come on. It's gonna grow in like 2 weeks. Huh? Mi amor, it's not the end of the world. Farah, you're gonna be okay, man. Just get used to it. Get used to it. It wasn't me. Will, you gotta get better at those things, man. You gotta be more careful.
Subscribe, like, and click the below. Mga bit mo beta.
Mi amor, things happen.